told you that you could receive that message from your SP, your specific person, way faster than you ever thought possible. Not by chasing, not by begging, but by remembering who you truly are. Because when you align with your divine power, that text, that DM, that phone call has to come through. So if you're ready to stop waiting and start attracting, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's manifest some real magic together. Let's start with the truth. You are the operant power. You are not separate from the universe. According to the law of assumption, whatever it is you assume to be true becomes your reality. So if you're constantly thinking, why haven't they messaged me? It's been too long. They must have forgotten me. They must have moved on. Then those assumptions become the script that your reality plays out. But when you shift into, they love talking to me. They're always thinking about me. A message is already on its way to me. Then you're stepping into your power and bending reality in your favor. Let me tell you about Ella. Ella came to me after 8 full months of total silence from her SP. No texts, no calls, not even a like or any reaction to her stories. She was devastated, but ready to try something radically different. So we implemented one core thing: living in the end. This meant Sarah stopped checking her phone every 5 minutes, waiting for any interaction or communication from her SP. She stopped stalking his socials, and she started embodying the version of herself who was already in loving, fluid communication with her SP. She would write journal entries like, "We had the sweetest conversation today. He told me that he couldn't stop thinking about me, that he misses me." She would also repeat affirmations to herself on the daily, such as, "He's always reaching out to me. He loves our connection. I am magnetic to his loving communication." And most importantly, she trusted. She trusted in her vision, assumed her reality, and lived in the end. And just 10 days later, he messaged her out of the blue after 8 months of no contact. And he said, "You've been on my mind lately. I don't know why I waited so long to reach out." But we know why, don't we? So here's the fastest way to manifest communication from your SP, with the first step being shifting your assumptions, okay? So for this step, you need to start believing, like truly believing, knowing that they want to talk to you just as much as you want to talk to them, if not more. Their desire to communicate with you is so strong that it's natural that the communication between the two of you is inevitable. Step number 2, live in the end. Feel what it would feel like after you've received that communication. Smile when you check your phone. Imagine reading the text message. Imagine receiving the phone call. What are they saying? Live in that moment. Feel the excitement. Feel the love. Feel that joy. Step number 3, speak from identity. Say things like, "I am always chosen. I am constantly receiving loving messages. My SP loves connecting with me." You are not waiting. You are declaring, and reality follows your lead. You are not a beggar at the gates of the universe. You are the divine spark, the embodiment of Source. And when you stand in that energy, life rearranges itself for you. This isn't about receiving communication. It's not about the text, the DM, the phone call. This is all about remembering who you are. Because once you do, everything, including that text, that phone call, that DM, will flow effortlessly into your reality. If you're ready to stop waiting and start receiving, comment below. I am receiving my desired communication from my SP. The message I desire is already mine. It's already mine. Remember to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell so that you never miss a moment of this manifesting magic, because you are powerful, you are magnetic, and you are the one they've been thinking about. Trust it, assume it, and watch what happens. Thank you for joining me. Catch you on Thursday, and namaste.